we finally went hiking.
It's our first hiking trip together, see? Whoop, whoop.
We're actually in the woods. And I didn't think this was going to happen. Because earlier, we were just like an hour ago, we tried to go somewhere hike, but every place was full. It was like, the parking lot was full of cars, right?
Yeah, cars everywhere. Couldn't park nowhere.
And
So we improvised and we're hiking
we came
somewhere.
to the edge of the bridge, and my dad said there was a path, and we went up the path. Because I didn't know it was over there, and we wanted to explore once we got done finished swimming. So we did that. I wanted to go on the other path because I didn't know it was over there. And this is where we ended up at. And yeah, now we're hiking.
Out here in the middle of nowhere, guys.
We don't know our way back.
Pops knows his way back.
Okay, maybe we do know our way back. And there's a cut down tree here too.
Yeah, man.
But be careful of snakes, guys. Comment down below if you see any hidden snakes. And if you do, then we might give you my phone. I'm joking. We might give you some AirPods. But for iPhone 7.
We don't even have AirPods for that.
We have AirPods for my phone, and I can't put them in my ear. Because I don't like how they feel.
See how it's all dried up? The creek used to run right through there.
Should I jump down?
No,
Could I go over down?
no,
It's not that far down.
no, but still, come on.
Okay, let's go this way. Follow me, guys.